Hey everyone! Welcome back to Home and Kitchen Finds. Today we're talking all about food processors, those magical kitchen helpers that make chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing so much faster and easier. Whether you're prepping veggies, making dough, or mixing sauces, I've rounded up 5 amazing picks, each with something special to offer. Let's get into it, counting down from number 5 to 1. Starting off our list at number 5, the KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. Don't let the size fool you. This little machine is small but mighty. Perfect for quick everyday prep. It's great for making salsa, hummus, sauces, or chopping veggies for dinner. It comes with a 3.5 cup work bowl that has a locking blade, handle, and pour spout, so you can serve your creations easily and clean up quickly since everything is dishwasher safe. With 2 speeds and a pulse control, you can choose whether you want a chunky texture or a smooth puree. From fresh pico de gallo to creamy dressings, it's got you covered. There's also a drizzle basin that lets you slowly add liquids like olive oil while the processor runs, perfect for emulsifying sauces and dressings. And when you're done, the compact size and cord wrap make it easy to tuck away neatly on your countertop. If you have a small kitchen or just want something quick and easy for light prep, this is your perfect little helper. Next up, number 4. The LINKChef 8-cup food processor. Now this one brings more power and space to the table. It's equipped with a 600W pure copper motor, so it's ready to handle tougher ingredients with ease. You can chop, blend, puree, and mix just about anything. Meat, onions, garlic, veggies, baby food, you name it. All in just 5 to 10 seconds. It features an 8-cup stainless steel bowl, which is lighter and stronger than glass, with excellent durability and shock resistance. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and can even handle high-temperature sterilization. The one-touch button design makes it super easy to use. Just press lightly for a coarse cut, or press deeper for a finer result. The 4D stainless steel blades chop evenly from every angle, giving you perfect results in seconds. It also includes built-in overheating protection and safety locks, so the blades won't spin unless everything's properly secured. If you want something fast, safe, and efficient that can handle larger portions, this one is a great affordable pick. Coming in at number 3, a kitchen classic, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. This one's a real multitasker. It's built with a smart bowl scraper that scrapes the sides of the bowl for you while the machine is running. No more stopping midway to grab a spatula. Just move the built-in scraper side to side, and your ingredients stay close to the blades for even mixing. It comes with 2 versatile attachments, a stainless steel slicing, shredding disc, and a chopping, pureeing blade, giving you 5 processing functions in total. With a 450-watt motor, it powers through tough ingredients easily, perfect for making healthy salads, homemade salsa, hearty acai bowls, and more. The 2-speed settings plus pulse give you precise control, whether you're chopping delicate foods or processing dense ones. Its 10-cup capacity means you can handle large batches at once, and the large feed chute saves time by fitting big chunks of food. Less pre-cutting, more efficiency. At number 2, the Cuisinart Pro Custom 11. This one's all about performance and reliability. It's powered by a 625-watt motor, giving you the strength and consistency you need for all your food prep. The extra-large feed tube is a game-changer. It fits whole fruits and vegetables, so you don't have to spend extra time cutting things down to size. You can easily chop, slice, shred, mix, or puree with the included stainless steel discs and chopping mixing blade. It also comes with both small and large pushers, a detachable disc stem, compact cover, and a handy spatula. It's super easy to use with just on, off, and pulse controls, and cleanup is quick and simple. The Cuisinart Pro Custom is built to last and backed by a 5-year motor warranty and a 3-year limited warranty on parts. If you're someone who cooks a lot or likes to make big batches, whether it's dough, veggies, or sauces, this food processor will keep up with you every step of the way. And finally, at number 1, we've got the powerhouse of them all, the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor. This thing means business. With a 1200 peak watt motor, It's easily one of the most powerful food processors you can get for your kitchen. It features 4 Auto IQ preset programs that take the guesswork out of food prep. You can chop, slice, shred, puree, and even knead dough at the touch of a button. The Ninja Blade technology ensures everything mixes evenly, from smooth purees to perfectly kneaded dough. Its 12-cup capacity makes it perfect for families or anyone who loves meal prepping. The extra-large feed chute fits ingredients of all sizes, so you can process more at once with less prep time. You also get an adjustable slicing disc, reversible shredding disc, and 2 blades, a chopping blade and a dough blade, making it incredibly versatile. Cleanup is simple since all the parts are dishwasher safe, and the durable design means it's built to last for years. If you want professional level power and performance right in your home kitchen, this is the one to get. And there you have it, our top 5 food processors, from compact and convenient to large and powerful. Whether you want something small for quick preps or a full powerhouse for all your cooking adventures, there's one here for every kitchen. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description if you'd like to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching Home and Kitchen Finds. See you in the next video.